Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to block someone on Telegram. There might be several reasons for you to block someone on Telegram. Whatever your reasons are, you can easily do it with a few simple steps. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start off by opening up your Telegram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top left corner of the screen, and from the expanded menu, click on Contacts. You'll be able to see all of the list of contacts that you have for your Telegram. Select any contact from the list that you'd like to block. Give them a tap and you'll end up in the conversation screen with the particular person. Tap on their name at the top of the screen, and from this page, tap on the three dots at the upper right-hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Block User, and in the pop-up box appearing on the display, confirm your selection by tapping on Block User. Once you do that, you have successfully blocked a contact on Telegram. Remember that blocking someone on Telegram will prevent them from sending you messages, media, or calling you. If you'd like to unblock them, then you can do it anytime you want. To unblock the certain person that you've recently blocked, simply go to the search button in the top right corner and type in the contact's name. Once you end up in the conversation screen with them, at the bottom of the screen you'll be able to see an unblock button. Tap it on and confirm your selection by tapping on OK from the pop-up. And there you have unblocked the contact as well. And that is how you'll be able to unblock them if you ever have a change of heart or you simply want to communicate with them again. That is how you can easily control over who you'd want to block or unblock on Telegram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.